How to turn on in-app likes notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on in-app likes notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in top corner you will find this three lines. Click on it, and after you click on it, just click this one here, settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you find push notifications. Click on it, and then here the first one you will find in-app notifications. Click on it, and here you will find likes. Just turn this on, and now go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.